Hi guys, so we are starting. I think we heard from academia and the trust tech, if I borrow Naomi framing, and now we'll talk a little bit about national security warfare. And I want to welcome Gili Drob-Heistein. Gili is the executive director of Blavatnik and Yuval Ne'eman Workshop of Science, together with Itzik and the wonderful team. They continue to surprise us with this wonderful conference. Through Corona, through wars, whatever comes, they are doing a great job.
Thank you, Iran. Thank you. So good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Influence in Cybersecurity event. It is great to have you all with us today. Today, we'll be diving into one of the most pressing and dynamic issues of our time, disinformation and influence. It is clear to us all that the battlefield of fake news, disinformation, and influence has a profound impact on the political and diplomatic arenas, and may indeed impact the way in which history will be received in the future. The ability to shape the narrative, to define reality in the eyes of the public, carries tremendous significance. We know that disinformation campaigns can sway and even determine the outcomes of elections in democracies. This fact has not escaped the attention of hostile actors who actively intervene and manipulate public opinion. As Jews and Israelis, we have experienced such attacks firsthand, particularly over the past 2 years. The distortion of facts, the spread of false narratives, and the incitements against our state and people have reached unprecedented levels. And we are beginning to see their impact, not only on global public opinion, but also on policy, academia, and everyday conversations around the world. Today, much of the responsibility for combating these challenges lies in the hands of technology companies. Throughout the conference today, we will explore these issues and more, including the work of companies that develop advanced tools to monitor, detect, and expose the bots and networks driving such manipulative efforts. Before we begin, I would like to extend my thanks to Alexa Horowitz, for her dedication in organizing this event. Thank you, Alexa. Originally, this conference was planned for June, but as you all know, due to the Iranian attack, we had to postpone Cyber Week to December. Today's agenda is filled with fascinating discussions, bringing together some of the finest experts in the field. I hope you find it both enriching and inspiring. And now, it is my great pleasure to invite to the stage Professor Irad Ben-Gal, who worked closely with us in shaping today's program. Thank you all very much. Thank you.